Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can pay for your Shopify subscription with a debit card. So let's get right into it. Now, for whichever payment you're using or planning on using, you can use both credit and debit cards equally, and you use the same option for both. The only thing that you need to take care of, or that you need to keep in mind, is if you're using a debit card, it needs to be co-branded, meaning it is partnered with either MasterCard, Visa, or American Express. And if your card is in line with any of those, then you can go ahead and set up your payment method. To do so, you go into settings in the bottom left from your dashboard, go into billing, and then click add payment method. From here, you just select the method type as credit card, then enter your information and your billing address, and once you do, you can just click add credit card and it'll add it completely to your account. And then once your billing cycle comes around, you'll be charged on your credit or debit card, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.